How to lose weight fast. Losing weight quickly. Step 1. Calorie deficit. Creating a calorie deficit is crucial for weight loss. Reduce your calorie intake by consuming nutrient-dense, low-calorie foods such as fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Avoid sugary beverages and processed snacks. Step 2. Portion control. Keep track of portion sizes to avoid overeating. Use smaller plates and bowls, and be mindful of your hunger and satiety cues. Practice eating slowly to give your brain enough time to register fullness. Step 3. Regular exercise. Incorporate both cardiovascular exercises and strength training into your routine. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity aerobic activity each week, along with 2 or more days of strength training to build lean muscle and boost your metabolism.